What if your money could think for itself? Imagine if your $5 bill could automatically pay your friend when they mow your lawn. No middleman needed. Welcome to Ethereum, where money gets superpowers. Bitcoin lets you send digital money from person to person, but Ethereum? It's like Bitcoin with a built-in computer that can run programs. At the heart of Ethereum are smart contracts, self-executing agreements where the terms are written directly in code. Think of them as digital vending machines. When you put in the right conditions, they automatically deliver the promised outcome. Here's a simple example. You and your friend bet on tomorrow's weather. With a traditional bet, you'd need to trust each other or use a third party. With a smart contract, you'd both deposit your stake, and the contract would automatically check a weather database and pay the winner. No trust required. These smart contracts run on the Ethereum network, a massive computer spread across thousands of machines worldwide. This makes it incredibly secure and nearly impossible to shut down. Ethereum uses its own currency called Ether, or ETH, which serves two purposes. It's a cryptocurrency you can trade, and it's the fuel that powers these smart contracts. Every operation on Ethereum costs a small amount of ETH called gas fees. The applications are endless. Gaming items you truly own, digital art with verifiable scarcity, financial services without banks, and even new forms of organizations run entirely by code. Ethereum isn't just digital cash. It's a whole new internet where money and agreements work automatically. Smart contracts are like digital promises that can't be broken. They just happen when conditions are met. That's it, fam! For more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to dive deeper, read the full article on our website. And don't forget to download the CryptoNanny app on Google Play to take quizzes and join tournaments for real prizes. See you in the next Academy video.